Hello, welcome to Tuesday, the 26th. And we're here. Hopefully you had a good time doing Murph yesterday and you're recovered and ready to go today. So let's take a look at what we got for our warm-up. All right, 2 rounds, single arm dumbbell strict press overhead, 10 alternating reverse lunges, body weight, single arm push presses, and then single arm suitcase reverse lunges. So there's a little bit of progression here for each, from strict to a dynamic movement, okay? So going through 2 rounds of that. Let's check out what we got for our workout. All right, so we have a double AMRAP today for you, ready to go. And let's check out, let's see, AMRAP 6 minutes of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you're just gonna continue. So those of you that are faster will go up in this, this laddered sequence. And those of you that are not as fast will just get as far as you can, okay? So dumbbell push press and suitcase reverse lunges. So once the 6 minutes up, you're gonna see how far up that ladder goes. Take a 4-minute rest and then do it again. Now hopefully each round is about the same, okay? Try not to hold back on this because you'll get 4 minutes of rest, so try and push up that ladder as far as you can and then take your rest and then hit it hard again. All right, I suggest in those 4 minutes that you stretch and move and recover. All right, so catch your breath, get your breathing down, stretch out those quads and the shoulders and upper back, keep them moving. What you don't want to do is just completely stop for those 4 minutes and just do nothing, okay? You be active, stretch and move, get the blood flow going in slightly different spots. Most likely your quads and your calves are going to feel this, as well as your shoulders, okay? So just get to it. So double AMRAP, 6 minutes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Keep up that ladder until the 6 minutes is up. 4-minute rest, repeat it again. All right, now watch out for this dumbbell push press. The one thing that I see a lot of people do is when they get tired, their hips drop forward, and now everything's laying on your lower lumbar. When you dip, push your hips back so you are using your abs to control your midsection and not your lumbar, okay? So make sure that you are sitting back on that push press, kind of like a mini jump. You're gonna bounce using your hips rather than your low back. All right, so get after it. Stay tuned for movement demos.